Hi everyone, I'm Mark Dibindoy, and today we'll be discussing 10 different applications from both online web designing and collaboration. So let's start. So first, let's discuss them both. What is web designing and what is collaboration? So first, what is web designing? So web designing is the process of creating visually appealing, user-friendly, and functional website, blending layout, aesthetics, and usability to deliver an engaging online experience. And second, what is collaboration? Collaboration refers to the process of multiple individuals or teams working together to create, develop, and maintain website. So let's go to the apps. Here are some 5 apps in web designing. Number 1, Figma. What is Figma? Figma is a cloud-based design platform that enables teams to collaboratively create, share, and test designs for various digital projects. It's used for user interface and user experience design, prototyping, and generating code for developers. Number 2, Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a vector web-based design tool primarily used for designing and prototyping user interface and user experience for website and mobile application. It allows designers to create interactive mock-ups and share them for collaborative feedback, streaming the process from concept to final design within the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem. Number 3, Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a professional vector graphic software used for creating logos, illustration, and design that need to be scalable without losing quality. It offers precise drawing tools, typography control, and seamless integration with other Adobe products, making it staple for a graphic designer and artist. Number 4, Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website builder that allows users to create and publish websites without needing code or design skills. It offers a range of tools and templates, including an AI-powered website builder to suit various needs from personal blogs to e-commerce sites. And lastly, number 5, Miro. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboard platform designed to allow teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize projects together in a digital workplace. It offers a range of tools and templates that support various aspects of web designing and project management. So those are the examples of the web designing application. And now, let's go to the collaboration applications. So here are the 5 apps in collaboration. Number 1, Quip. Quip is a collaborative productivity software suite that combines documents, spreadsheets, and chat in one platform, enabling teams to work together in real time on projects and tasks. It streamlines teams' collaboration by standardizing, automating, and embedding real-time collaborative documents within records. Quip is owned by Salesforce and is designed to enhance workflow efficiency. Number 2, Zoho Workplace. Zoho Workplace is a unified suite of applications designed to facilitate teamwork and enhance productivity within businesses. It integrates tools for communication, content creation, and collaboration, all accessible from Central Hub. Number 3, Webex Meetings. Webex Meetings is a video conferencing and online meeting platforms that allows users to host and join virtual meetings, share screens, collaborate in real time, and communicate through video, audio, and chat functionalities. It is part of the Cisco Webex suite, which aims to provide a comprehensive communication and collaboration solution for businesses of all sizes. Number 4, Flock. Flock is a team communication and collaboration platform designed to bring all your work into one place. It supports direct and group messaging with public and private channels. Flock enables communication with teams through one-on-one chat and group messaging. Users can create channels for specific projects or topics for focused communication. In number 5, ClickUp. ClickUp is a cloud-based project management platform designed to help teams organize and manage their work effectively. It's known for its versatility and customization options, making it suitable for various teams and project types.